Once, there existed a nation so wealthy that hunger was unknown, so advanced that drought was defeated, and so blessed that their land seemed untouchable. They were the people of Saba. Their cities flourished, their gardens stretched endlessly, and a mighty dam controlled the flow of water with perfect precision. The Quran paints a breathtaking picture, to gardens, on the right and on the left. Life for Saba was ease, beauty, and security, and Allah gave them only one command: be grateful. But gratitude slowly faded. As generations passed, the people of Saba stopped thanking the one who gave them everything. Pride replaced humility. They trusted their wealth, their engineering, their power, and turned away from Allah. They believed their dam would never fail. They believed their success was permanent. They were wrong. Without warning, Allah sent Sayl al-Arim, a flood of unimaginable force. The dam that once protected them cracked, then collapsed. Water rushed through their cities like an army unleashed. Homes were swept away, gardens drowned, civilization drowned. In a single moment, paradise turned into ruin. Where fruits once grew sweet, only bitter trees remained. Where laughter once echoed, there was silence. The people who thought themselves secure were scattered across lands, remembered only as a lesson. Allah did not wrong them, they wronged themselves. The fall of Saba teaches a terrifying truth. When gratitude dies, blessings do not survive. No technology, no wealth, no power can stand against Allah's command. Today, the ruins of Saba whisper a warning to every nation, every city, every heart. Do not turn away from Allah, or your blessings may turn against you.